So do you think so? Relationship nowadays is toxic. Love is becoming toxic.
Very much.
This generation is chapri. They get addicted to it. They don't listen to their parents anymore.
That's right.
Like they fight with their parents just because of a phone. They won't eat their food. Like I've seen my cousins. That's why.
Even I've seen
That's
like
right.
without any videos, they won't eat. Like they need videos to eat.
I would love to because hearing all the love stories from my mom and dad, I just think there's a big difference from the old times love and this new generation, and I would definitely prefer the old.
They should respect the elders because
Okay.
nowadays when I see people,
right.
no,
Mhm.
like even the youth, they just want to show something like I'm the best, I'm the best.
To you guys, what's Valentine's Day all about?
For me, it's about celebrating the times, the moments we have with each other.
Okay.
Because Valentine's Day comes once a year, so obviously it's special for everyone,
Okay.
even especially for couples, because we get to give gifts to each other.
Okay.
Although it's just mostly the guys giving gifts to the girls, but I think it's just all over a sweet moment to have with each other.
What's Valentine's Day all about?
For me, nothing.
Nothing. What is Valentine's Day all about?
Love.
I mean, Valentine's Day, it's all about the love which we have to spread
Yeah.
all over the world or all over the people, community. Okay.
Exactly.
I think Valentine's Day is, for me, like it's important for the girls. Like they wait for the expression of love from their boyfriend or their husband or their loved ones.
So, according to you guys, what is Valentine's Day all about?
I think it's for the couples to celebrate because like we are like singles, right? So we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day.
Is it Valentine's Day only to celebrate for couples, or is it
No, like but then it's for love.
Uh-huh.
According to me, it's to celebrate love.
Okay.
Either it's like friendship, like any kind of love.
I think it can be with different person too, because even with girls we have this galentines, so
Okay.
like we spend times with
I
our
knew about
friends.
that,
Yes. So if you're single, then you can spend time with your best friends, whether it's girl or boy. Yeah, it's all love. It's not only about couples, so that's why I think Valentine's Day can be for anyone.
So, what are your thoughts about love?
Well, I think love is a beautiful thing. Yeah, it's not like I'm saying like do not love a girl, do not love a boy. It's just like you have to understand others' feelings and how they're gonna perceive your love.
Love is something we cannot express.
Love. What exactly love is?
Attraction.
Okay.
Love is a feeling that you feel for someone that you care, you trust, and again, it can not only be about a boyfriend or significant other. It can be about family or friends, someone you care about.
Okay. So, do you think like now in this generation, love is becoming toxic?
Yes, it is becoming toxic because most people in this generation, when we talk about love, mostly they think it's only about like a one night stand or just like being friends with benefits. But if we go back to like in old times, there was like so much more to love than just a one night stand.
That's
so
right.
yeah,
So,
I
do you
would
think
say.
so? Like, according to you, do you feel like you want to go back to the old times, like like your mom and dad, how they had relationships? Kind of
Yes,
stuff?
yes, I would love to because hearing all the love stories from my mom and dad, I just think there's a big difference from the old times love and this new generation, and I would definitely prefer the old times love.
So what's love to you guys? What's love?
To care about someone you love.
Mm-hmm.
To take care of someone.
Right?
To appreciate everything they do, support
Uh-huh.
them,
Right.
like to support them in their ways, like in their work.
Okay.
Don't judge them.
Like,
Love is caring about a person whom you love a lot. Love meaning in a simple way we can say that it's a feeling from inside, bro.
To you guys, do you think like love, relationship, love, it's toxic nowadays?
Oh yeah, it is actually very toxic. Like it's very hard to find someone loyal these days. Okay, it can be like either like from the female side or from the male side. Like it's a very toxic one.
So can you elaborate why is it toxic?
Well, first of all, there's like no respect for each other in the relationship. It's
Okay.
very hard to find one that
Respect.
yeah. And then loyalty.
Okay.
Yeah, loyalty is also one. And then I don't know. not being able to like sacrifice for the other person's, like for your partner. Yeah,
Okay.
I think that is also a little toxic on my side.
What makes love toxic nowadays?
I think it's the generation, like the new thinking of the Gen Z, you know. They would think like love is just like maybe physical according to them. Of course, like there's people who still want love to be pure and like truly marriage with one person. But then again, it's like mostly the effect of social media as well, you know. They portray love in like many different ways. So I would think that's what affects it.
So do you think so? If it comes to that, do you think so social media comes to the point where it becomes affecting relationship, make it toxic nowadays?
Yes, I would think so because social media is very, very much not true. And sometimes what we see on social media, even if it seems like a perfect couple, they may be very toxic. And once something they show about like toxic side also can be, they have their sweet side, but also the impact on social media, even like small kids also, they're on social media. So I would think, yeah, it really impacts.
So
There's no words to describe the love, but for me, a love is a life. Because if you want to live your life happily, or if you want to spend your life in happily without, we can see that this world there are many like stressors there. There are many things, that many sad moments are there. If there is no love, then we can't survive. The love is hope and everything. Yeah.
do you think so? The back then generation and now generation love has been very different.
Yes, it's been very different because if we see our parents, like even like our parents and the parents generation, their love was very pure, and their love there was no like condition, there was no terms and condition. But in this generation, we can see the money is greater than the love. If there is a money, you will get love. So it is a huge difference between us and their generations. So I think if we want that generation, we can feel the pure love. But in this generation, it's very difficult to find the true love and the pure love between among like even our friendship also, even our family, even our girlfriend and boyfriend also. So it's very difficult to find the true and the pure love.
What's money now? Can you explain me when you say money? What's that?
Money can buy happiness also. Money is happiness.
Yeah, now money can buy happiness.
Just imagine if you want to go and eat something. If you don't have money, then you cannot eat that.
Is that happiness?
Yeah,
It's a happiness
for us,
example.
For us, food is
Food is happiness.
Do you feel like money comes into play if it comes to toxic relationship?
Well, yeah, it does. It does. Actually, it depends on the person. No, that one depends on the person. For example, if someone is looking for money in the relationship, then it becomes toxic all of a
Okay.
sudden. Yeah.
Okay.
But if that person is like looking for someone, like he or she is not really looking for money, then I think that counts as a stable relationship. Yeah.
Right. That's right. Should younger people, younger than you, should they use mobile phones and social media and everything? Younger than you.
No,
No?
really no, because at our times like we are still kids, but still like at our times you cannot like use phones, like that's like prohibited.
Exactly.
You'll get slapped, okay, if you play with phone.
See, nowadays I don't think so. Do you mom and dad says you like, guys, you should stop looking at your phone. It's waste of time or
Yeah,
waste of money.
yeah.
They do that, right?
Yeah, because
So-
they care.
They get addicted to it. They don't listen to their parents anymore.
That's right.
Like they fight with their parents just
Uh-huh.
because of a phone. They won't eat their food. Like I've seen my cousins. That's
Yeah,
why.
even I've seen
That's
like
right.
without any videos,
They won't
they won't eat. Like they need videos to eat. Otherwise they like throw tantrums and like just go mad.
So do you think so that's right? Do you think so parents should have a boundary for all the kind of stuff?
Yeah, obviously. We need some boundaries, right? Yeah.
I would. It depends on the age. I wouldn't allow my kids. If I have kids, I wouldn't allow them to have social media like Instagram and all. YouTube and all, it's fine. They can watch like videos. But like Instagram, at a certain age, they should have, because, as I said, like social media can have a lot of negative impact. So if they're like over a teenage years, like 15, 16, then they can have like Instagram and all. But before that, I would personally not want them to have.
Okay. So social media has came on play like effect of love in this generation right now.
Yeah, obviously, because when like even me also, like when we see like my friend posted anything, like they are traveling, they are buying new things, they are buying house, car, like that, we feel jealous obviously. Then we want to compete that one. So that time we did not think about the first, we did not come the love, but we thought about that we have to do income, we have to earn, we have to settle our life. That's why the social media make many things like
So you think so? Relationship nowadays is toxic. Love is becoming toxic.
Very much.
This generation is chapri.
What's that?
Like now these relationships are like they don't love someone from the soul.
Okay,
They love from the face, only from the looks,
that's right.
only from the appearance and all, not from the soul. If they're getting better, then they're gonna leave you in 1 second.
What is the main thing like comes through your head every now and then, like you want to say to people?
I would say don't trust everything that you see on social media and be your true self no matter what people say. Just trust in yourself and then love who you are. That's what I would say.
Like to say. What
I
advice?
would just like to say that don't waste your time in love, make your career.
What about you?
Money. If you have money, everyone is behind you. So make money. If you are success, everyone will be your down.
Okay.
An opinion to all the youth is don't ever date.
Don't ever date. That's gonna be trouble.
Don't ever just
Just arrange. Just tell your mom and dad arrange
don't
somebody
ever
to get
date
married.
people.
the life is very short life is, and if you only run behind the money, and you will lose many friends, many loved ones. So love everyone who is standing for you, and like who is love you, who is care about you. And after like when that person die, the moment it becomes only memory. So my word is that don't run only for the money, don't go for the fake friends and the fake love. Just search the true friends, true love. If there's anyone in your family or friends, just love them, give them love more and more, and you will be happy for the rest of your life.
What would you give? What would you say?
They should respect the elders, because
Okay.
nowadays when I see people, no, like even the youth, they just want to show something like I'm the best, but that should be not there, no.
Yeah.
Everyone should respect your elders. If someone is elder than you, then you should respect him, no. If you're not respecting him, how he will respect you, and
Exactly.
how he is going to teach you what you are going to do next, because he is the guy, you know, like he's elder than you, he have seen more visuality of this world, no. So he's going to teach you what's going to be next in your life, because he have already seen it.
Yeah, that's right.